creator, as you all know, and the list goes down. So Sahil has really strong network. You can find him on every existing networking platform on internet now. He launched his product come service called Startup List last week. So what I know about Startup List is it is one of the largest curated library of tools and resources for startups, which Sahil will explain me more about this. So without wasting more time, let me call Sahil to walk us through his journey. So yeah, Sahil.
So, okay. So let's start. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
So, this idea came to my mind when I was searching for some directories. Where can I find idea generation tool, startup naming tool, but I couldn't find the best one. So I started curating some of the best tools and resources from Product Hunt, Instagram, LinkedIn, everywhere, and and then after I categorize all the tools and resources which are the best one, and after the after and then put them in the Excel sheet. And these resources, they are higher these resources are higher rating. And then I came across no code website such as Pori and Airtable. So basically what Pori is, you don't have to learn code. Basically this is drag and drop type of website. You can easily code, you don't need to hire and developer. And so you have to pay money, and basically you will build website faster using Pori, Airtable, and there are many no code website. And no code is a future. And then I started curating some startup tools and resources, and then I put them in the Airtable, and then I connected Airtable with Pori. And then I add feature like a category, in which if you select any category, then you will be shown all tools regarding that category. And then I added a feature like add a tool button on my website. So basically this is a tool in which anyone can add anyone can add their tool and resources in my website. So they first need to click on add a tool button and submit information about the tool. Then it will be automatically added in our directory as per their category. So and before Product Hunt, I launched on Fiddy. Fiddy is the leaderboard of the top projects of the week. So I also featured in Fiddy, and also trending that week on Fiddy. And after that,
So yeah, Sahil, just one question. So can you explain us what is more like a startup list? Matlab, what is it? What is it of libraries of for? So can you give something about that?
so basically this is the world's largest curated library of more than 450 plus startup tools and resources for startups and entrepreneurs. So when you want to find any tools regarding presentation, then you can visit website and select your category, then you will be shown all tools regarding that. So basic yes, so this is my website. Select any
हाँ,
category.
yeah. So अगर if I want something of marketing, so I'll get these tools of related to marketing. This is what you have done.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
and
and
you
you,
can find
yeah, yeah,
you can find you can easily and I have added visit view website as a call to action URL. So you can
yeah,
click
yeah.
on view website, and you will be directed to their website.
So Sahil, you did this all without coding anything. Yeah, right.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So can you explain us what is no code in very easy language
So
so we can know what is it?
basically no code provide us various templates, and then from that templates you can easily build, and usually build using drag and drop.
Okay. Acha, so you use no code and then you
Yeah,
did all this.
yeah.
Okay. So how did you get the idea of this no code thing, and why you didn't think कि I should hire one developer and make it more good as such?
Because hiring a because if I hire a developer, then I have to pay him money, and it also requires more time, and I don't have time, so I built
Yeah.
using no code. And no code, you can easily build any website using no code in 1 week,
Okay.
7 days.
Okay. So that's a great takeaway. So we can build anything using no code if we don't know anything
Yeah,
to code, right?
yeah, and even and even someone has built entire Twitter using no code.
Oh, okay. That's great. So coming to the Twitter thing, so Sahil, you are pretty active on Twitter, LinkedIn, Insta, everywhere. So how that thing helped you in building this website or
So
this
basically,
library?
I connected with some people, and I get some feedback regarding this add a tool button, and then they have also helped me mean in some curating some of the best resources in internet, and then they have also given me some resources, and also they have added their startup in my startup list.
Okay, so means you were you added to their community or you just reached to them? Like what did you do to?
Basically, I am building in public since last 2 months. So when you build in public, so everyone know what you are building. So they reach out via DM, and that's all.
Okay, so coming to this product, so can you please tell us what is Product Hunt more precisely?
So product hunt is a new places for the best product in tech, where you can launch your product, and you have and the people upvote your product. So when people upvote your product, then it will be shown to the more number of people, and they can give feedback to the product. So if you want initial launch, uh, you haven't completed made your website, but you want some feedback of what can I improve now. So you launch a
Yeah.
product hunt, and people give some feedback, like what you can improve, and people reach out to you, and you get more website visit. Also, you can get initial users who use your website.
Okay. So Sahil means can you tell about the mentorship? So before building this product, so how you reach to mentors and all for this for their guidance and all?
So basically, I am in various communities like a junior VC, uh, creators of product, and no code founders club, and various community also in Discord like Suel's Khan Discord community. So these are the community of founders, product managers, and or engineers, anyone. So I tell them about my idea, about what I am building. So they reach out at me, and give me some feedback, and also they give me some suggestion in my website.
Okay. Okay, that's great. So yeah, one more question, Sahil. So how will you promote this website? So what's your plan of promoting this website to so that everyone can know that you have built this curated library over here?
So basically, I am promoting I will use the power of social media, and I will continue sharing which are the some of the best tools and resources you can visit, about separate what are the benefit of this particular href tool, what are the benefit of this unbound tool, and then I will create a separate post about single tools and resources, and then after I will promote it. In I
Oh,
mean in that way I will promote it.
okay,
Basically
great.
social media marketing.
Okay. So, Sahil, don't you think that GoDaddy is one of your competitor in this domain? And how you're different from GoDaddy and all?
So basically, GoDaddy is a different website. Means GoDaddy provides us domain, and a vlist means hosting. Uh, you can cross marketing and select hosting. Please select hosting.
Okay, so it's hosting. Just a
Marketing.
second. Hosting.
Mm,
Yeah. Yeah.
so
So
this is GoDaddy. So basically, we are listing some of the where you can host your website. So GoDaddy is the best place to host your website. So basically, we are very different from GoDaddy because GoDaddy we they provide hosting and we are a library. So basically, we list some startups and tools and resources. In that way, we are
uh,
different.
so yeah, if someone wants to start his or her startup, so what he'll do, suppose if he wants to start a startup related to marketing, so he'll come on your website, then he'll go over marketing. So these are
Yeah,
the tools which will help them to build their marketing startup pretty well. Is
yeah,
am I right?
yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
Medium is also yeah, yeah.
yeah, yeah, because hmm.
Sorry,
And
you were
these are the tools you can, and these are the marketing tools. Means if you have a startup and you want to be good in marketing, so you can visit some of the tools like Sumo. Sumo is a number one email marketing platform that provides some services. So you can view their website and these are the also the marketing strategies like you can visit you can visit by exploring more about what exactly it is and how they
Acha,
help.
so what did I get from you is ki you made using that no code thing. So you drag and drop each and every websites over here. So we'll find a proper arranged way
No,
of
no, no, no,
apps. Okay.
no.
Yeah, go on.
Actually, I have connect. Actually, there is a template like this one. This is how you are showing, and in this template, I have I have added all the tools in my Google Sheet, and then Google Sheet is connected with this type of template, small square box, and then it will be showing like this one.
Okay. So basically, you didn't reach out to each and every of these houses, but what you did, you just copy their thing. So when we'll click on their website, then we'll be switching to their website. So you are just acting like a mediator
Yeah,
between a new startup and a complete website.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yes. So Sahil, one more question.
yeah.
Okay, if I am new to this world, but I know what Medium do and what Ahrefs do. So why will I be coming to your website? Instead, I will be directly going to their website to reach them out. So how you are dealing with that thing?
Can you repeat the question, please?
So okay, so yeah, if I want to start something in marketing, suppose, and there's this website called Sumo. So and I know about
Hmm.
Sumo. So I'll be going directly to Sumo instead of coming to startup list. Am I right? So
Yeah,
how you
yeah,
are
yeah.
so how
Because this is for inspiration. Because but there are many millions of people who don't know about Sumo, so they can visit
yeah.
website and check if Sumo suits, then they can visit their website. So basically, there are many people who don't know which tools and resources they can use. So I have curated this list from Product Hunt, Instagram, people recommendation, and then after that I have built this.
Okay, so what you did was you did a complete research on all these products for around years
Yeah,
and two, and then you
yeah.
came to
Which yeah, I
yeah.
did
So
a
what?
complete research on which tools you can use for their marketing best tools, marketing tools in which people upvoted the most on Product Hunt, marketing research tool, analytics tools, and that's all.
So what you are doing is you are actually just saving the times of newbies who are coming to this startup world. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Basically,
So
problem statement statement was you don't have to spend times researching about which tools and resources you can use their startup because it is very time consuming,
yeah, yeah,
and that's why I make it.
exactly. So this is your USP as well because you will be promoting this
Yeah,
thing with yeah. So okay. So yeah,
yeah.
one more question, Sahil. So how you are gonna monetize this whole thing?
So basically, currently, if you click on add a tool button, then it will be free. But in future, you can easily submit your website, add a listing. But in future, I will, at the end of the form, I will add payment info. So when you do payment, then only you are allowed to do listing in my website.
Okay, so initially what you did, you went to the people to and asked them to come to your website. But when you will go on certain level, then people will come to your website. Is that your point?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay, that's great. Yeah. So one more question. When you were building this whole thing, so how networking helped you, and in which ways did networking helped you? So can you emphasize on that also?
Uh, So basically, some of them have given me lots of feedback. Like you can add like community. Which community should I join for a startup? So I added some categories. So I added some categories like communities, and then after newsletter, which newsletter you should use, and you can search. And can you please select community as a marketing, community as a category?
Yeah, sure.
Community, you will see last.
Community. Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, these are I have curated list. So these are the community you should join for the startup. So I added this new thing. So these are the communities you can help. You when you need any help regarding a startup, these are the communities. They will help you anytime. So basically, I have added some categories like community newsletter, and
Mhm.
I am also adding some TEDx videos so that people can visit, like what actually they needed.
Yeah.
TEDx videos and entrepreneurship, books related to entrepreneurship as a category,
Mm-hmm.
so they can read which book they can read for the startups, and that's all.
Okay.
Basically, I am curating the platform where you can find all the things related to startup. Means if you want to hear some startup podcast, then you can select podcast as a category. Then you will be shown all the startup podcasts that is happening, that people are coming, and that's all. Basically, all all you need is starting up. I am curating the all the best
Okay, so yeah, if anyone want,
resource. All the,
so after some time, if anyone is interested in entrepreneurship or anything, so he'll just have to type on Google startup list and he'll find everything over here. So is that what?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Basically, we are ranking number 4 or number 5 in terms of SEO. But when I will
Yeah.
buy a domain, then it will rank on the top.
Okay. So Sahil, yeah, one more question related to this. So right now, your potential customers are the initial startups, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
initial startups and founders who need tools inspiration, who can
Acha.
who need which tools and resources for their startup. Basically, this is not only for founders, but you can anyone can find. If you want to find which presentation tool you can use, so you can select a presentation tool.
Okay.
You can select
So
you can select presentation tool as a category. So basically, this is for everyone. Means mm,
yeah, yeah, okay. So I get your point,
pre-
but
pre-
what? Yes, yes. Let it be. What my question is, if someone's starting something, so he had done some great research on that topic, right? So if I'm going
yeah.
in marketing domain, so I know everything about marketing. So, but
Mm.
so how you will be helping them? Because they know a lot more than they know a lot more of marketing stuff. So why will they be coming on your website? Because they already know all these things now. So how you are dealing with that?
Yeah. Yeah, because I have curated basically for the people who don't know,
Okay.
who don't know about marketing, and that's all, which tools they can use for a startup. So I basically curating for those only person who can, so I can help. Because some of your friends know, but there are lots of people who don't know, because world is bigger.
Yeah, yeah. So you're keeping everyone in mind. But I don't think you will be losing the maximum, the most potential customer, which I'll say, the ones those who are going to start in next 5 years, because you will be losing them, but you will be getting a broader customers, but the main, those who know a lot will not be coming on your website. So how you
Yeah,
are dealing with that?
currently there
Yeah.
are I have more than 3,000 plus users
Okay. On this
on my
website.
yeah.
Oh. Okay.
So basically, I reached out various communities, and I will partnership if possible. I will partnership like communities like will partnership in various events, and also in world's largest community like Startup Green. So they
Startup brand. Yeah.
yeah. So basically, if any competition, I will partnership with them. So any participant want to find any tools for their startup, so they can visit my website, and then like there are various competition happening over there, entrepreneurship bootcamp. So I will partner with them, and then I will tell them about how this is beneficial to their participant. So basically that's the strategy, basically partnership
Yeah.
with various communities.
Okay. So there's one question, and the can you please explain each tools? Okay. So there are a
uh,
lot tools. You just select one which you are in most interested, and you can explain side.
yeah, so basically first visit idea generation. So
Okay.
idea generation, and then then select which $1 billion startup ideas view website.
Okay. $1 billion startup. So I'll be directed to $1 billion startup ideas website, right?
Yeah, view, if you
Yeah.
click on view website, then
Yeah. Yeah.
and then this startup post one new $1 billion startup idea daily. So please click on view website if possible.
Yeah. I've clicked. I will go again. Oh, just a
And if
second. I have
you
to present everything. So yeah. So if I went to this,
So yeah, and when you need any inspiration related to the startup ideas, then you can read their ideas, because
read ideas.
they post, yeah, because they post $1 billion startup ideas daily. And if any ideas excites you among these ideas, and you can work on that idea. So basically, if you are a newbie, you don't know about entrepreneurship and startup. So I have
Yeah.
listed $1 billion startup ideas in my website, so you can visit their website and find which startup or you will get inspiration about your idea. So basically,
Okay.
that's all.
Okay, so Google is also one library, but it is a vast library. So you have melt down it to the
Yeah.
entrepreneurship segment, right?
Yeah, and basically
Okay,
I have curated across, means category wise. I have curated across category wise.
okay. So you have structured it in a very order way. So if someone new to startup
Yeah,
world or entrepreneurship world will surely come over here, and then he'll find different website. So he can surf to any of the
yeah,
website to gain more knowledge. Yeah, that's great.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, if anyone have any questions, then you can just unmute yourself and can ask. Yeah, for sure. Anyone? Okay, so let me ask you one few questions more. So, Sahil, you volunteered in different organizations, and also you went to work for different fellow management things and marketing things. So, how
Yeah.
all that things helped you in building this product?
So basically, I was a product management fellow at AllVR. So basically, they will give. So I don't know about which no code website I can use and make it. So when I have done my PM fellowship, then I came across these tools. Basically, they will teach you how to make a product. Means what to choose, and which no code tools you can choose, because there are lots of different tools. There are lots of no code website, like uh,
Yes,
I
I.
there are,
So we all are very new to this no code thing. So can you, yeah, please go into some deep thing of no code because we don't know that no code thing.
so basically no code is a platform where you can easily build website using uh, without code, like drag and drop, and connect it with Airtable, and then you can easily select any text and then put it into. Basically, they will give you some space, and then they have already UI UX element in their website. So
Yeah.
basically, you have to drop which UI UX element you can use, and then you can create a website. So basically,
Okay.
I am also adding at the last of my website, like newsletter. You can subscribe to my newsletter, and I will add. Currently, I have not added, but I will add. Basically,
Okay,
these are
sure.
the UI UX elements.
So Sahil, just tell me, you were using the word Airtable now. So please, can you emphasize on the word Airtable also because that's
So
also new to us.
yeah, yeah, because Airtable will give you like a Google Sheet. So you have to so basically all the entries, all these names and all these photos are in my Airtable, and then I have listed, I have connected with my Airtable. Airtable is like Google Sheet. They will
Okay.
they they will give you all the web, uh, website name and that. रुक मैं वो मेरा
Yeah.
उसमें चालू होता है, तो एक बार बता लेता हूँ एक बार लैपटॉप में, अगर
So
मतलब एयरटेबल का थोड़ा बहुत।
okay. So till then, so yeah. So this is your product. You have made a very well prototype. So are you interested in pitching this your idea to some VCs or incubators? Like Nirma has also started their
या
incubation recently. So how
या
you are gonna? So what will be your revenue model over there?
so basically, are you talking about revenue model? Are you means
Yeah.
hello?
Sorry. You just went down.
So basically, if any startup want to list in my website, then I will take about $25 to $50 for 1 year listing, and then after I will remove it their website. And mm, and if want to list their website for lifetime, then I will
Mhm.
charge high. Then I will charge some higher amount. So
Amount,
because
correct.
because when I list their website, so people are visiting their website and buying some things, like if they want, if they are selling something website, so उनका भी तो फायदा हो रहा है। मतलब मैं
Yeah.
उनको उनकी
Yeah.
वेबसाइट मैं उनकी वेबसाइट में डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, और वो लोग वहां से भी कुछ तो लेंगे, मतलब उनको भी तो ज्यादा ही फायदा होगा ना।
Correct. Correct.
सो
So
सो सो
traffic will increase on their website also.
yeah,
Exactly.
traffic will increase, revenue will generate, they will generate revenue.
Exactly. So one more question. So will you be charging from these young entrepreneurs also, those who are coming to your library to reach to these websites? Um,
So no. So basically, this is
okay.
only for startups who want to list their website, and basically this is for free, and anyone who can explore and who need inspiration, they can visit their website. But I will only charge from startup.
Okay. So yeah, we have two questions in the chat box. So if you can see the chat box, can you answer them?
Mm,
Or should I recite?
So for sponsorship, I will reach out to them via mail, and I will tell them if I have listed in my website, if they want to donate some money, and then they will do it if they are interested. And how would you promoting their website. So basically, I will do some social media marketing, and then after I will tell them about the various about each tool and about each tool, what is the benefit of this tool, how this tool can benefit us. So basically, this will get more website visit, and basically I am focusing more on SEO and
Yeah,
partnership with various communities and competition. So if anyone is hosting some competition like business plan competition, then I will partner with them and tell participants that if you need any tools, marketing tools, which in which tool you can design your presentation. So you can visit my website and select category design, and then you will be shown all tools regarding that design. So basically, that's how my plan is to partnership with various communities, and then
okay.
with various business plan competition, and that's all.
So, okay, so you will be reaching out to each and every hackathons and all these competitions which are in your city or in anywhere online on online platform. You will ask
Yeah,
them to,
yeah, yeah,
partnership with them.
uh,
That's great.
yeah.
Yes.
So I will get
So
more web. Okay, okay.
yeah, yeah. So yeah, one more thing. So Sahil, what do you think about promoting your website on Twitter and LinkedIn and all these productive platforms on internet? So what do you think about that?
Promoting means
Me telling people about
like
startup list, I guess. Yeah.
yeah, I mean sponsored ad because they are yeah, I can also do that. They will charge Instagram charges 80 rupees per day. So it can reaches to vast audience like 1 lakh people who are interested in startups. Like these are the promoted ads I can do, but I will mainly focus on delivering value. What you will benefit from after visiting my website, and then I will more about delivering value and less on sponsorship and ads like uh,
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So when if someone will come to your website, so what you will do, you will provide them more values instead of showing them different ads all over the website. Am I right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So yeah, that's great. Can you please explain me more that about how you will be reaching without as much for means money, because you don't have any money right now and you have made this great prototype and you are before pitching this to any VCs or any incubation. So how you are gonna, what's your plan for the next 6 months for that until you reach to some
Uh,
incubator or VC?
so basically, I am interested in some. I am interested in partnership with some competitions, and I will reach out different startups, and I will tell them about startup list, and then if they are interested, then I will be reach out, and they will promote, my startup list in their website, or a mail that we are listed on startup list, like that. I will reach out to everyone, and tell them you are listed in, then your startup is listed in startup list, so you can tell your audience.
Okay.
I mean, you can tell your users that we are listed on startup list. So basically, we will get more users
Yeah. So
from that.
there's one more thing. Yeah, as Google uses this SEO thing and shows the one who pays more shows their ad first, right? So you can also,
Yeah,
don't you think you can also do this in your website, because you do have a list and there is three on one single time. So won't you mind
yeah,
if
yeah,
someone will be in, so you'll show them at first. So that is also
yeah, yeah,
different.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, I am also thinking about that.
Yeah, yeah. So one more question: how did you manage to get product management fellowship back in all VR? So yeah.
So basically, you have to fill a form. I will share it, and if you are selected, then they will mail you, and you will get a PM fellowship. Basically, they will ask you general what is product management, and what is the name, email, and if you get selected, then they will mail you, and you will be, and they will tell you to join their Slack group, and in the Slack group, basically everything will happen. You will learn from scratch, and also also networking will happen. You will connected with different people from the world. Like I connected with some US people, Canadian. I connected with various people. Basically, this is fellowship is for learn, network, and grow.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, that's great. Yeah, so you are doing engineering, right? And this is a complete different domain from engineering. So how you
Yeah.
manage this thing, and what makes you interested in this more than engineering?
Basically I am interested in more in this field because I want to solve problems of people. That's why I am more interested, and I want to make an impact. And I will not continue engineering, mechanical engineering in future, because I am interested in more towards startups and product management and marketing related field. Means I will not work in mechanical engineering industries or like that.
Okay, okay, yeah, that is, yeah. So most of the people are, yeah, just getting back off from this thing, but that's great. So yeah, if people have any,
because
yeah,
when you join college, you started exploring. So and I first participated in startup weekend India edition, and I got interested in and when I participated, I found that I am more interested in startup world. Then when you explore in college, you will find really what you are interested in.
yeah,
So basically, I got my interest from participating in various competition, hearing various means attending various events, networking events, and that's all.
yeah. So that's a great advice for people those who are in first year. So do
Yeah,
participate in different
yeah.
competitions. You won't know what interests you more. Yeah,
Mm.
that is. Yeah. So and yeah.
So
So
and join club, and if you don't have any startup ideas, then I would highly recommend to join YC Futures Founders Program, and that's basically a free program that you will learn about how to start up ideas, how to generate startup ideas, how to do marketing for a startup, how you can reach out to customer, how you can gain feedback from customer. Means basically everything related to startup they will taught. Your everything is free, and I will, if anyone is interested, then I will give website where you can do this program, YC
uh,
Startup Futures Founders Program.
yeah. Okay, that's great. So yeah, I'm done with the questions thing. So yeah, if anyone wants to ask something, you can write in chat box or you unmute yourself and go on. Yeah. If anyone has any questions related to anything, can go on. Yeah, I think you should leave your social media handle or anything in chat box. So if they have some doubts, then they can reach out to you. Yeah. What do you
Mm,
think?
okay, okay. So basically, can I give my number?
Yeah, anything which you feel
What?
comfortable.
What's
Yeah, so that's this has domain and everything is in the chat box, so you can reach out to him.
Yeah,
So
I
yeah,
have shared my mail ID also, if you want
great,
to
great.
reach out via mail.
Yeah, so thank you so much for just giving your insights to us. So yeah, we are also very new and we are just trying to get more familiar people than just to get more things which are going around in our universities. So that's what
Yeah,
our
yeah.
plan is. So thank you so much for giving us your insights. And yeah, people, yeah, those who want to attend more these sessions, you can just reach out to us on Discord. And if you want to, yeah, and if you want to organize some sessions, then also you can reach out to us. We'll surely welcome that also. So we are trying to build this this small community in our college only, so where we can, we can get like-minded peoples together. So yeah, that's it for today, people. Thank you everyone for joining in. Thank you, Sahil. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.